Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car hesitates while shifting gears, or worse, it won't shift at all. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and it throws code P0945. This means there's a problem with the transmission hydraulic pressure solenoid, which can lead to harsh shifting, transmission overheating, or complete failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0945 means, where the key components are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0945? DTC P0945 stands for Hydraulic Pressure Solenoid Circuit Open. This means that the Transmission Control Module, TCM, is not receiving proper signals from the hydraulic pressure solenoid, leading to pressure loss and gear shifting problems. Common symptoms of P0945. If your car has this code, you might experience hard or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping, overheating transmission, check engine light or transmission, warning light limp mode, car stuck in a single gear, sensor and component location, very important. Hydraulic pressure solenoid location, found inside the valve body of the transmission. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors transmission fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, location, typically found under the dashboard or near the battery in the engine bay. Function, regulates the operation of solenoids and shifting mechanisms. Transmission oil pump location, inside the transmission case near the torque converter. Function, supplies hydraulic pressure to the transmission. What causes P0945? 1. Faulty hydraulic pressure solenoid, not opening or closing properly. 2. Wiring or connector issues, loose, corroded or broken electrical connections. 3. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing improper hydraulic pressure. 4. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect signals. 5. Internal transmission, damage, worn out valve body components. How to fix P0945? Step 1. Check transmission fluid, locate the dipstick, if available, and check the fluid level and color. If low or dirty, refill or replace it with manufacturer-recommended ATF. Step 2. Inspect the hydraulic pressure solenoid. Locate the solenoid inside the transmission valve body. Test it with a multimeter. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Inspect all electrical connections leading to the solenoid and repair any damaged wires. Use a wiring diagram for your car to trace faults. Step 4. Test the transmission control module, TCM. If the TCM is malfunctioning, it may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Take a test drive and monitor for shifting issues. Final words. If you see P0945, your transmission hydraulic pressure solenoid circuit has a fault. Ignoring it can lead to rough shifting, transmission failure, and expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0756, Shift Solenoid B Performance, Stuck Off. P0757, Shift Solenoid B Stuck On. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.